You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these brand names. So there are indeed, and that's actually quite entertaining, there are different versions of how to pronounce the name of these: education, technology company. There's another video. There's people that say that you should say it as "you dummy," okay, as in you are a dummy and you need to educate yourself. But I believe that's not what the company wants you to say, and that's not how they pronounce it. Udemy. It's actually a portmanteau word, meaning that it's a made-up word made up of different words. It's the putting together of you, as in you, and academy. So it's like you academy, Udemy, or sorry, Udemy. A stress on the first syllable because what matters is you. Udemy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.